This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by sfranks. Adorable and affordable. Welcome to this great home on corner lot with covered front porch and mature trees. Home is ready to go. Excellent floor plan includes spacious living and dining rooms combined with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Great kitchen with tile countertops, electric oven and washer-dryer hookup. Fenced backyard and central heat and air. Don't let this one get away. Buyer and buyer's agent to verify square footage. Survey, lead base paint and seller's disclosure in documents. For more information, review the details below or contact sfranks at 903-870-8485.